Hello and welcome, I'm Nathan42 and in this video I'm just going to show you how to sort a Steam issue that I've had recently. Okay, so if you open Steam and you've just transferred your Steam apps library over, sometimes you open it up and it's gonna kind of either get to this or earlier and it will crash. So what you want to do if you want to try and fix this, yeah, it's crashed. So what you want to do instead is close this off, open up your Steam library, and there's a Steam apps folder here. So what you've probably done is you've copied all your common stuff, stuck it onto a different drive, like I stuck mine into my games folder. That's not my games folder, my Steam apps common here, and yeah, now it's lost. So what you want to do is you want to go back to where it was just now, Steam apps, change Steam apps name to Steam apps 1, and what this will do is it will force Steam to recreate the folder for you. So now load up Steam, connection Steam account, pow, Steam's back. And as you can see, it says that I have no games. So what you want to do is you just want to go to settings. This is the library manager. Go to which one was it? Downloads, Steam library, and it thinks that this is your only library folder. So you want to add library folder. I'm just going a bit slow for some reason. Go to your new E drive, go to Steam, select, and it's noticed that there's 30 games there. Close that, okay, go to library again, and there's all my games. There we go, sorted. It might not have noticed the ones that I pulled over from the other one. Check that part as well. Just go to settings, go to Steam library folders, pull the folder up, right click that, and then you can do repair library folder, and it'll just like check through it and do what it needs to do, and it should find all the games that you have in there if they're not found anyway. Yeah, and that's about that. So yeah, that's about it. If you like the video, like it. If it's useful, share it, and I will see you next time.